Hey guys, it's Issa here, and today I want to quickly talk about the theory of change, or what I like to call your social impact roadmap. This is essentially the foundation and framework that you're creating on a step-by-step basis of how you're going to create the change that you want to see. Throughout this entire process, I want you to continually think about what problem you're trying to solve and who's your key audience or the community that's going to benefit from this change you're creating. Number one are your activities. Your activities are the deliberate steps that you're going to take or the path forward for you to create this change. They're the engine of the transformative impact, and they're the building blocks of your initiative. So what kind of things are you going to do in order to create this change? Number two, these are your inputs. Your inputs are essentially what type of resources do you need for you to create this change. Your inputs fuel your actions. This can be either time, money, staff, funding, any other asset that you need in order for you to make sure that your actions take place. They're incredibly crucial to your impact journey, and without them, your impact journey becomes far more complex. Number three, your key assumptions. Throughout this process, you're going to think about what type of potential challenges or risks as well as outcomes that you're going to create or are going to come across while you're creating this impact. They're essentially the underlying beliefs and conditions that you want to take into consideration that might be necessary in order for you to create this change. Think about stakeholder beliefs, environmental issues, access to the community that you're trying to work with. What kind of potential risks or challenges are you going to be dealing with? Number four, you have your outputs. Your outputs are the immediate impact or the immediate results that take place because of the actions and inputs that you created. These show immediate changes to what has happened, and they're also the markers of success along the way. They're the easier ones, the easier metrics for you to identify when you're trying to see how successful your journey has been so far. Number five is your outcomes, or what I like to call your overall impact. This is the big picture and long-term results of the activities and initiatives that you've created. This reflects the ultimate change that you want to see in the community and in the world, and is essentially the reason why you're on this journey to begin with. Remember, when you're trying to create your social impact roadmap or your theory of change, remember that the activities drive the progress, the inputs sustain your efforts, your assumptions guide your decisions, your outputs demonstrate immediate effects, and then your outcomes showcase lasting impact. This makes sure that you create a holistic approach while you're trying to navigate a very complex road in social impact. Just make sure that everything is clear and purposeful when you're trying to create this change.